everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning rustic patio decor ideas and inspiring ideas to transform your patio into a haven for relaxation and connection with nature. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For many, the patio embodies a yearning for connection with the outdoors. It's a space for relaxation, entertaining, and enjoying the simple pleasures of fresh air and sunshine. But how do you cultivate a patio environment that reflects both comfort and a connection to nature? Enter the realm of rustic decor, a design philosophy that celebrates natural materials, aged finishes, and a sense of timeless charm. Rustic patio decor draws inspiration from the raw beauty of nature and the enduring appeal of handcrafted elements. It prioritizes natural materials like wood, stone, and wrought iron, often incorporating weathered textures and finishes that evoke a sense of history and lived-in comfort. Think of it as an extension of your home's interior, seamlessly blending the indoors with the outdoors through a warm and inviting aesthetic. The rustic approach to patio design offers a multitude of advantages, such as: first, timeless appeal. Unlike fleeting trends, rustic decor possesses an enduring charm that transcends the whims of fashion. Natural materials never go out of style, ensuring your patio remains a welcoming haven for years to come. Second, warmth and comfort. The use of natural textures and earthy tones fosters a sense of cozy relaxation on your patio. It's a space that invites you to unwind and soak in the natural world. Third, durability. Rustic materials like wood, stone, and wrought iron are renowned for their resilience. They can withstand the elements, making them perfect for creating a patio that endures for years to come. Fourth, affordability. While some rustic elements may be high-end, the beauty of this design style lies in its ability to incorporate readily available materials. Repurposed wood, vintage finds, and natural accents can all contribute to a rustic aesthetic without breaking the bank. Fifth, DIY potential. Rustic decor embraces the handcrafted, making it a haven for DIY enthusiasts. You can personalize your patio through projects like building a weathered wooden table or crafting charming flower pots from salvaged materials. How to decorate your patio in rustic style. Now that you've grasped the essence of rustic decor, let's translate it into practical steps for transforming your patio. First, furniture. Opt for natural materials like weathered wood, wrought iron, or wicker. Look for pieces with a distressed finish or visible wood grain for an authentic rustic feel. Consider incorporating comfortable outdoor rugs woven from natural fibers like jute or sisal to add warmth and texture. Second, lighting. Rustic lighting sets the mood for a relaxing outdoor ambience. String lights with warm white bulbs are a classic choice, casting a soft, inviting glow. Consider incorporating lanterns or sconces made from wrought iron, copper, or wood for a touch of rustic charm. Third, accessories. Rustic accents add personality and character to your patio. Think terracotta planters overflowing with vibrant blooms, weathered wooden signs, or vintage metal watering cans. Woven baskets, textured throws, and natural fiber pillows further enhance the cozy, inviting atmosphere. Fourth, water features. The sound of trickling water adds a sense of serenity to any patio. Consider incorporating a rustic water fountain or a small, tiered water feature made of natural stone or weathered wood. Fifth, fire pit. Nothing quite compares to the warmth and ambience of a fire pit on a cool evening. Opt for a fire pit constructed from natural stone or brick to seamlessly integrate with the rustic theme. Choosing the right furniture sets the foundation for your rustic patio's ambience. Here are some key considerations. First, materials. Natural materials like wood, wrought iron, and wicker are the cornerstones of rustic design. Opt for pieces that showcase beautiful wood grains, distressed finishes, or a weathered patina. Second, comfort. Your patio is an extension of your living space, so prioritize comfort. Look for furniture with plush cushions, supportive backs, and ample seating for entertaining. Third, durability. Remember, your patio furniture needs to withstand the elements. Choose materials like acacia wood, wrought iron, or weatherproof wicker, known for their resilience. Fourth, functionality. Consider how you'll use your patio. If dining is a priority, a spacious table and comfortable chairs are essential. For lounging, opt for a deep seating sectional or comfortable armchairs. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 rustic patio decor ideas. 1. Weathered wood dining set. Anchor your patio with a sturdy wooden table and benches, boasting a distressed finish. 2. Wrought iron bistro set. Create a charming French bistro atmosphere with a wrought iron table and chairs. 3. Rustic mason jar lanterns. Upcycle mason jars into charming lanterns with fairy lights or candles for a touch of whimsical charm. 4. Terracotta pots. Showcase vibrant flowers and foliage in a collection of terracotta pots of various sizes. 5. Woven baskets. Use woven baskets for storage, displaying blankets, outdoor cushions, or firewood. 6. Vintage metal signs. Add a touch of personality with vintage metal signs featuring rustic themes or motivational quotes. 7. Weathered wood planters. Repurpose weathered wood into rustic planters overflowing with colorful blooms. 8. Outdoor area rugs. Ground your patio space with an outdoor rug woven from natural fibers like jute or sisal. 9. String lights. Create a magical ambience with string lights draped overhead or strung across the perimeter of your patio. 10. Natural stone fire pit. Gather around a fire pit constructed from natural stone or brick for warmth and connection on cool evenings. By embracing the warmth and natural beauty of rustic decor, you can transform your patio into a haven for relaxation and connection with the outdoors. Remember, don't be afraid to mix and match different furniture styles to create a unique and personalized rustic haven. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiration on creating the perfect rustic patio retreat. We have tons of video tutorials on DIY projects, furniture selection tips, and design inspiration to help you bring your vision to life. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.